Hi everyone, it's Iris from Art Yarns, and today I wanted to show you my Missoni-Inspired slip stitch top, which, if you're one of those people who loves knitting with a lot of color and a lot of different colors, this is really a fantastic kit, a lot of fun to knit. And what I used, and I'll show you the exact yarns, is Merino Cloud in color 601, which gives you those nice little black speckles. And that's my base color, that's my cream. And then to complement it, I used these small skeins of Merino Cloud in a bunch of rainbow colors. And the combination is actually put together in a kit. Let's see if the 6-pack gradients, which you could get through your local Art Yarns store or online. And that's what I use to make this top, and it can accommodate a few sizes. It's really a lot of fun to knit, and the whole thing is slip stitch, so there's no stranding. It's really working one color at a time the whole way down, and keeps you really snugly warm because it doubles the fabric of the Merino Cloud. So Merino Cloud using one skein in your base main color and all these fun other shades which are going to give you this effect. So it's called the Missoni-Inspired Slip Stitch Top by Iris Schreier. Enjoy.